Hi there all, it's Chinsia, and to show you a little unwrapping video, even though it's already unwrapped, but it's for kisses. There's the bubble wrap it came in. Right, I tell you no lies. That's it. But the nice thing about it is, just look, beautiful pouch, and my gosh, a gorgeous green velvety colour. So that's that. Now in the pouch we have something very nice. Oh gosh, yes. Look at that. It's a beautiful bracelet. Beautiful. Now I do believe you can open these. Otherwise, oh yes, it would be very difficult to get it on. Especially, I think, with my wrists, which are not what they used to be. But I think this would even do me. Okay, we have a momentary. That's it. There we are. Yes, and it does in fact fit on mine too. There it is. See? Quite lovely. Very simple in the heavy gold look colour, but it's again very much, I think this the Roman age jewellery or dress jewellery is coming back into fashion, definitely. Right? So this is lovely. And then, as you saw before, it's in this gorgeous pouch. Then we'll have a look at what is in the boxes. I'm thrilled, honestly. Each brand that is listening, I am so thrilled and proud that they are. It makes me feel good because it means that my voice is worth something. There we go. Inside, we have the lovely, again, the sage green pouch. And inside this pouch are, oh, two very pretty earrings. Very pretty indeed. Look at that. Can you see? Beautiful. Well, definitely my style, as you will see in a few minutes, because I will be putting them on. Let's pop them up there. And here we are. Again, within that theme, we have, let me see if I can take it out easily. Yeah, gosh, it can be easier than that. Okay, out you come. Oh, there. Carefully put together, I will say that. And of course, oh, this is easy because you just unclip that and the necklace comes out. And it is absolutely lovely. Look at that. And it does go with the bracelet. See? Isn't that lovely? Let me pop this down up here. And down here in the bag, I want to show you the earrings that, I mean, they're not a perfect match, okay? But I believe that they go with them. See? I do believe that. So we'll pop those down. Pop those down very nicely, very safely parceled. So much so that I can't get it out. Now, why is that? Ah, okay. Like I said, very safely parceled. It comes in another separate pack inside. Not so much a pack, but I think it's just another separate envelope to make sure that they don't, as they touch each other, they don't scratch each other. Now, I don't know if my nail's long enough or whatever that is, but I'm going to try. Oh, I know. There we are. Definitely. Okay, there we are. And there we are with the pouch. Now, we've got the earrings. And we've got the lovely chain that I believe goes very well with them. Okay, and of course, let's not forget this little stunner, the bracelet. I think they're beautiful. So I'm going to take the bracelet off. So I can put it together. There we go. See? And look at it just sitting there. I think this is one of the really amazing gifts. Really amazing. I like them. I mean, I like everything that they send me. But Keeses, I think, with this particular set has outdone themselves because it looks really, really elegant. If you look at there and you think of what you would wear it with, of course, there's nothing that is more elegant than black or cream. If you're going out to a dinner date or even cocktails, it's lovely. If you're wearing it for everyday use, by all means, color it up. All right, I'm going to color it up when I have my when I put them on. So for now, it's going to be Cinzia signing off, and I'll see you shortly on my posts. Bye for now.